Welcome to the Ultra Blue channel, your ultimate destination for tech tutorials and guides. Today, we will provide a comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to clean up disk space to speed up your computer. Regularly cleaning up your disk space ensures your system runs smoothly and efficiently. Over time, your computer accumulates unnecessary files, which can slow down performance. Cleaning up your disk space can free up resources and improve speed. We'll show you how to do this using built-in tools and some additional tips. Windows provides a built-in disk cleanup tool that helps remove temporary files, system cache, and other junk. To access it, open the Start menu and type Disk Cleanup, then select the tool from the list. Choose the drive you want to clean, usually the C drive, and click OK. Disk Cleanup will analyze your drive and present a list of files you can safely delete. Review the list of files and check the boxes next to the categories you want to delete. Common items to remove include temporary files, recycle bin contents, and system cache. Click OK and then Delete Files to proceed. This process may take a few minutes, depending on the amount of data. Once completed, you'll have more free space, which can improve your computer's performance. For a more automated approach, you can use Storage Sense, a feature in Windows that automatically frees up space by deleting unnecessary files. To enable Storage Sense, open Settings, go to System, and click on Storage. Toggle the Storage Sense switch to On and configure it to run automatically. You can customize how often it runs and what types of files it removes. Another effective way to free up disk space is by uninstalling programs you no longer need. Go to Settings, then App. And click on Apps and Features. Scroll through the list of installed programs, select the ones you no longer use, and click Uninstall. This can free up significant space and improve system performance. Large files can also take up valuable disk space. Use File Explorer to locate and remove or archive these files. Open File Explorer, go to This PC, and in the search bar, type Size, 1 GB, to find large files. Review the search results and delete or move files that are no longer needed to an external drive or cloud storage. Cleaning up disk space is an essential maintenance task that can significantly speed up your computer. Regularly use these methods to keep your system running smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to the Ultra Blue channel for more tech tutorials and guides. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.